In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Adobe Acrobat, Adobe Reader, and the new Adobe Acrobat Pro. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for ensuring that you have the latest features and, more importantly, that you're protected from any vulnerabilities that have been addressed in new updates. If you're someone who regularly uses Adobe Acrobat products for business or personal use, these steps will help you maintain optimal performance and security. So, let's get started. First, you want to open up your Adobe Acrobat application. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is essentially the hub of your application's controls and is where we will begin the update process. If you're using a Mac, this may look a little different than on a Windows PC, but don't worry, the steps remain the same. Now, after clicking the menu, you'll want to locate the Help option. It's a straightforward step, but make sure you're in the right place. Once you've clicked Help, the next step is to select Check for Updates. Clicking this will prompt Adobe Acrobat to check online for any available updates. The application will then perform a brief check to determine if there are any updates ready for your version of Acrobat. This process should only take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the update if available. It's a good practice to perform this check regularly, even if you haven't received notifications about any updates, just to ensure your software is always running the latest version. If an update is available, Adobe Acrobat will notify you about it. You will see an option saying download and install. Simply click on this option to begin the update. Depending on the specifications of your device and the size of the update, this process could take a few minutes. During this time, it's important that you keep your computer on and avoid disrupting the installation process. Force quitting the application or shutting down your computer can cause complications, so it's best to be patient and let it run its course. Once the update process is complete, Adobe Acrobat will most likely require a quick restart to finalize the changes. After restarting, congratulations, you should now have the most recent version of Adobe Acrobat installed on your device. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've ensured that your Adobe software is current with the latest updates. This not only enhances your user experience with new features, but also secures your software with the latest security patches. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy editing with Adobe Acrobat!